Today we're checking out these WeatherTech no-drill mud flaps in black for the front and the rear of the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon without Extreme Recon package and excluding the 4xe. If you actually drive your Jeep like a Jeep, then you already know how fast mud, rocks, and things like road salt can beat up the sides of the vehicle. These are one of those simple upgrades that keep your Wrangler looking nicer for a lot longer in between washes, and they protect that paint job, so they're definitely worth considering. These are custom fit and custom molded mud flaps made specifically for your Wrangler. So the big advantage is the fact that they sit exactly where they should and actually cover the areas that take the abuse. These are going to help protect your fenders and rocker areas from rocks, dirt, slush, and corrosive road salt, which means fewer paint chips, less road spray down the doors, and way less grime collecting along the lower body after the rain and snow. They're also designed to hold up in real-world conditions, cold weather, harsh sun, and the chemicals and grime that come with daily driving. So they don't turn brittle or crack the first time it gets nasty outside, and they don't end up wearing down after season cycles. Another huge feature from this set that people love is going to be the no-drill install. You're not putting holes into the painted metal on your vehicle, and you're not messing with removing the wheels and tires just to get them on. The mounting setup uses factory mounting points and a quick turn-style fastening system, which keeps the install simple while giving you a secure and tight fit. And because these are a full set front and rear, you're getting a match protection for all four corners of the Jeep and a finished look that stays cleaner overall. The last point I'd like to cover on these is the feature of the hard molded panel. So these are going to be molded and stay in place. They're not going to flap around like cheap universal options, which really gives you better overall protection while still looking clean and like a factory fit finish. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting impact-resistant thermoplastic molded from rugged proprietary resin in a black finish, along with hardened stainless steel fastening hardware with the no-drill mounting setup. This material is built to resist cracking in cold weather, handle UV exposure, and stand up to the road chemicals and debris without warping or falling apart over time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $100 price range. For a custom fit front and rear set that installs without drilling and gives you real world protection where Wranglers get sandblasted the most, this is a solid value compared to some universal flaps that don't fit right and they don't cover the same. When it comes to the install on this one, it's getting rated a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter because of the no drill design. You can add these on in 30 minutes of your time or even less if everything goes smooth. Now I've already mentioned it, but it's definitely worth mentioning again that this is a no drill install and WeatherTech says it can be installed in minutes, so it should go pretty smooth and simple right at home in the driveway. All right, well that's gonna wrap up my review of these WeatherTech no drill mud flaps in black for the front and rear of the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL Rubicon without the Extreme Recon package and excluding the 4xe. And for all things Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.